Okay, so we're back, and we're doing the not laughing and grinning challenge. So, yeah, we're still new, so. Here we go. So, what is it?
My mom just went to next in line. I can't pay for this. Say something, I'm giving.
Okay, so like this video, you can't tell me that you're not going to laugh or grin at this video. Okay, so far I'm winning. She already lost whenever we first got this video. Okay, now that's pretty funny. Okay, I just lost. Okay, so I guess until we finish this video, it's only 58 seconds. Okay. Well, anyways, yeah. Whew. If you've seen our other video, the trust fall, it took us forever to do it because we could never figure out how to use this until now. So, yeah, pretty complicated. Is that Justin Bieber? Okay, so we will see you whenever we are going to do this next. So, bye. Peace. So, see ya.